Hello everyone, I am Ms. Dharani from St. James Academy and today's presentation, Components of Fitness. The components of physical fitness are a set of guidelines that can help improve your physical health. There are multiple components to fitness and being physically fit. The most common fitness measurements are muscular endurance, muscular power and cardiovascular endurance. These components are detailed below. Cardiorespiratory endurance. Cardiorespiratory endurance is when the heart and lungs are able to deliver oxygen for working muscles during extended physical exercises. The body's ability to receive oxygen is an important indicator of advanced physical health. Cardiorespiratory endurance is not easy to measure directly in a field setting. The measure of cardiorespiratory endurance is calculated in a lab setting and compares the resting heart rate to the heart rate during activity to estimate the amount of oxygen the person intakes. Next, muscular strength. Muscular strength is the amount of force that can be put out or the amount of weight that can be lifted to enhance muscular strength. It is best to work one muscle group against resistance to enhance power. Muscular strength can be measured by estimating an athlete's repetition of maximum, meaning that what can be moved or lifted once requiring the fullest amount of power possessed by the individual. It is recommended to try lifting large loads until the maximum amount of weight has been reached. Due to a high risk of injury that can be caused by lifting too much weight, muscular strength should be tested in the company of others. The list of exercises that can improve your muscular strength, the follows are lifting weights, climbing stairs, cycling, dancing, push-ups, squats, yoga. Muscular endurance. Muscular endurance is an activity or force that can be carried out without injury. The measurement of muscular endurance can be performed in real life or a laboratory setting. The best way to test is with the number of push-ups completed for the upper body muscle endurance, the number of repeated squats for the lower body muscle endurance, and sit-ups for the core body muscle endurance. Muscular power typically measured by how much force can be generated during a given activity. Advanced equipment used by biochemists are often needed to measure muscular power. Next, flexibility. Flexibility is the range of movement a person possesses in both muscles and joints. To increase flexibility, stretching is the most effective and efficient method. Balance. Balance typically measured by how long a particular position can be held with or without some type of activity being performed. Simple testers such as standing on one leg can be used to assess balance. More advanced testers may involve standing on an unsteady object while trying to catch a ball. Speed. Speed typically measured by how quickly an individual can move from one point to the other. The 40-yard dash is often used to assess speed. Body composition. This is the amount of fat on the body versus other tissue such as muscle, bone and skin, measured using a variety of testers and devices. Simple testers using mathematical equations or calipers are common and inexpensive. More advanced testers such as underwater weighting are far less common and much more expensive. In many cases, endurance and strength are the components used to assess fitness, but utilizing the other components offer a more complete picture or overall fitness along with health and athleticism. I hope this video is useful for you. We meet you again in our next video. Until then, stay tuned, keep watching. Thank you.